I was there and there was no civil disobedience. There were people trying to conduct a poll in the most trying and challenging of circumstances. That's not civilly disobedient. That's an attempt to be democratic against great pressures, great challenges and great barriers.
To me it's very surprising that an elected president can be taken to court for organising a democratic vote. This is a democratically elected president trying to give an opportunity for the Catalan people to express their views, and I find it very surprising that that's something that can result in a court case.
What is going on right now in Catalonia and in Spain is troubling to any Democrat, and I think something must change. You cannot settle the future of a nation or a country in a courtroom. That is simply the wrong way to do it.
Well, first of all, it's always very difficult to intervene in legal procedures. It's not up to politicians to do that. But it is up to politicians to find solutions. And if you really want to have solutions, you need dialogue and political decisions and political dialogue. And I think that is the solution to the question.
What I wish, for in situation in Spain, that Barcelona and Madrid, they began an effective dialogue.
If you really want to resolve it, legal procedures can get in the way, and so it's best to find a political solution.
In our case, we had no discussion, no dialogue, so we took a radical and in fact very right decision to split, to regain independence and to declare our independence.
I think there is an example that was set in Scotland and by the UK government in accepting the right of voters in Scotland to make that decision. I think that was a very important principle, and I think many of us find it surprising that that example would not be followed.
You need to have a clear dialogue between Barcelona and Madrid to agree terms and conditions to hold a referendum, a real referendum, a proper referendum, in fact a binding referendum.
The best thing to do would be to respect the will of people who have voted for independence parties, as happened in Scotland, and take that as a mandate to have a proper democratic referendum.
I'm not worried. Even from a European perspective, we will find solutions if necessary.